So we're back with another get ready with me video. So we're just starting off with the coconut water cream moisturizer here by Fab, and then I'm gonna go in with my Revlon color stay for my eyebrows. We're gonna get these eyebrows together today. I'm gonna line them out and then fill them in. So yeah, we're not gonna have our eyebrows on strong today, although last time they weren't all that strong, but they just appeared to be that strong. But yeah, so we're just gonna do our eyebrows. Next, I'm going in with my e.l.f. hydrating concealer, and I'm gonna mix that with the LA Girl Pro concealer in the color chestnut. And I'm just gonna clean up my eyebrows here, and I did take that all the way down to my eyelid. We did that on both. Blend that out. Yes, yes, yes. Next, I'm going in with my Profusion Paradise palette, and we're gonna use the color Uproar. That is that brown there. We're gonna put that all over the lid. Make sure we get that pretty good. And then we're going to go in with the Profusion Festival palette, and I'm going to use the color Rave. That is not Rave, you guys. I have to figure that color out, and I will list it down below. And then I'm going to cut my crease with the concealer. Next, I'm going in with the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and we're going to use this dark purple and put that on the outer lid or outer portion of our eye. Then we're going to go in with this beautiful blue, put that next to that purple. And we want to blend these two together. I did dip back into the palette between the purple and the blue to blend that in even more. Next, we're going to go in with this beautiful green, same palette. Yes, and put that on the inside corner. Yo, this green is so pretty. And we're going to blend that together also. We're going to blend, blend, blend. And I did go back into the palette to find like a darker green. And I did put that in between the green and the blue just to give it some dimension. Look at that. And then I blended out any harsh lines on the outside with the pinkish color that we used in the beginning. And I'm going to clean that up with makeup wipes. And then I did proceed to do the same thing on the bottom lid. Just take the green, the blue, and the purple and blended those together just to give this look a little bit more kaboom. Blend, blend, blend. I'm gonna clean that up. And then I'm gonna go on back with my e.l.f. hydrating concealer and put that under my eyes and also in my T-zone and blend that out with my sponge. And I did spray my NYX primer and setting spray on my sponge before I blended that out. I find that it helps me a little bit more when it comes to blending, so I really do like that. So we're gonna blend this out, you guys. Do your best at blending. This is beginner friendly, so you know, you're gonna pause it while you get all this together. Just doing a blend. So next I go in with my Rihanna Fenty matchstick in the color Espresso for my contour. I do my cheekbones, my forehead, my chin. I'm also gonna take this on my nose, but that's later. Then we're gonna blend that out with a sponge blend. Beat that forehead up. Yes, don't worry, my makeup look a little crazy right now, but it's gonna come together at the end, and so will yours. Just take your time, it'll come together. And when it comes to the contour on the cheek, I blend up, not down, and try to keep it in the same space. Here we go with the contour on the nose. I don't do too much because I'm still learning how to, you know, really snatch it. But I really don't need my nose to be snatched because, you know, it's already perfect. But here you go. Blend that contour up into your brow like Jackie Aina said. Blend, blend, blend. Next, I'm going in with my True Match in the shade C9, which is a deep cool. This is my shade. It look a little crazy right now, but watch when I blend it out. I just put that everywhere. I didn't put anything else at, especially and I also put that in between my concealer and my highlight on my forehead, so I can blend those together and it doesn't look so harsh there. So we're just gonna put that everywhere and then blend that out. It's gonna look so beautiful when I'm done. Make sure you blend really good, you guys. Take your time with this. It's no rush. You can always pause a video. You don't want to rush this. See, it's already coming together. Next, I'm going to go with the True Match face powder. And I believe this color was C7. Next, I'm going to use my Sephora bronzer in the color Ibiza. I'm just going to take that all over the perimeter of my face. I'm also going to put it over my contour just to deepen it up a little bit there and blend that out. And then I'm going to spray my face with the Smashbox setting spray. Next, I'm going in with this Wet n Wild bronzer, and I'm using it as a highlight. Yes, I am, because I don't know who bronzer color this is, but it is a pretty highlighter. Put that everywhere. Blend it out. Don't look crazy. We're going to do a little bit of inner corner highlight, courtesy of Jackie Ina. That inner corner highlight make a difference for this eye look. Oh my, look at that. Popped it. I'm going to spray our face one more time. Then we're going to go in with our Royalty Accessory Box lashes in the style Beauty. You can get these at royaltyaccessorybox.com. And then we're going to use our NYX liner. I believe this is the Epic liner in the color black. And we're just going to do a little wing liner. Now, y'all, one eye always comes out perfect, but the next eye, I always mess it up. So, yeah, I had to, like, go back in, fix it, make it match a little bit. Did the best I could. Still trying to get this liner under control. Next, we're going to use our Man Eater mascara. And then I'm going in with the Royalty Accessory Box gloss in the shade 24 Karat. It's just got a little glitter in that, golden glitter. Hair time. So I did clean off the perimeter of my head here with the alcohol wipes. Then I sprayed my hair with the bed head spray just to save my edges here, protect that. We're going to use Ghost Bond glue today. So I'm going to work this in sections, and I do have a popsicle stick. So I did put some glue there, and I'm going to spread it out thin and make sure it's even. So we're going to spread, and wait until it is clear. When it's clear, you know it's ready. I only did one layer, you guys, because I wasn't planning on keeping this wig on long, and if I do, I'll just put more. But anyways, yeah, when it's clear, put your lace on. Would you believe I tinted my lace with hair color? Hair dye, yeah. And it came out perfect. It came out perfect, you guys. Check out my old videos. I believe I show how I did that in my old videos, so go check that out. This is Queen Royalty hair we are using today. I have a frontal and 3 bundles. All the details about this hair will be listed down below. Hair is constructed, colored by me. We're going to do our sides. Same thing that we did with the front, we're going to do to our sides. Now, dummy me, I got really impatient and I didn't want to wait until this turned clear, and I still, you know, put my lace on it. But it came out okay. But don't be like me and be impatient. Wait until it dries clear and put your lace on there so you don't have a headache and go through crap like I did, because, baby, I had a headache because my stupid behind wanted to do this. But anyways, it still came out good because it's still dry clear. Just making sure that all my lace is laid down and it is secured on both sides. Next, I am taking this comb, just combing out the hair, make sure that it is not stuck to the glue, and I'm making sure that my lace is melting into my glue here. Look at that, scalp, baby. What? Oh my gosh, that is beautiful, like amazing. You couldn't tell me this wasn't my hair. I mean, you really couldn't. Like, scalp. I look like I got bad head right now because the front, but anyways, my little baby hairs, I wasn't really focused on that. I just want to make sure my lace was good and the glue. Next, I'm gonna take an elastic band. I didn't leave any baby hairs out, like any to style, but I did leave my edges how they were because I just like that real natural look. And I just tied that on there really tight and left that on there while I brushed my hair out. Look at that color. Look at that. I have no product on this hair, you guys. I've had this hair almost 2 years, if not a little over 2 years, and this is its natural luster. I washed it and I didn't put no products in it. This is its true form. Now I'm just going to throw some curls in there. I am using my Baby Bliss flat iron, titanium flat iron. Just lightly going over that. So I wanted still texture in my hair, but I didn't want it to, like, I didn't want too much texture. So we're gonna just press this out with a hot comb. I got this hot comb from Walmart. It was like $20-$25, no more than that. I'm gonna throw some curls in this bad boy. Curl her up. Curl her up. Yes. Voila, we at the top. Look how fast that happened. Still curling. Still curling. I did not have the patience for this either, but it's whatever. I wanted some texture in my hair. I didn't want super curly hair, so I do brush these out, like brush them out, just to have some waves and different, different texture, a little bit of texture in my hair, because I knew I didn't want it super straight or have that straight look. I just wanted to look like a little wavy, if that, just a little texture. You'll see that in a little bit. Here I am jamming, y'all. I was jamming. Look at that. This hair is beautiful. I'm not just saying that because it's mine. It really is. How many times I gotta tell that ass to come over? I'll fuck you right. Have you walking from side to side? Yeah, so after I'm jamming, so if you don't know that song, then I don't know what to tell you. Anyways, so we get done curling. Then I'm gonna press it a little bit here, press to define my part a little bit more. Just press it. Oh, and this is the moment I knew I fucked up. I burnt the out of my hand. I need to come with a glove. I'm serious. That's what I said. Anyways, I'm gonna go in here with some wrapping foam lotion. This is the Lotta body, and I'm just putting this right where my parts is, and I'm gonna press it out. I am gonna press out the sides. I'm gonna swoop that behind my ear. You'll see that in a little bit. But see, I brushed out my curls. See, I just wanted some texture. I didn't want the curly, super curly look. I just wanted to look like something. So I press out this side because this is the side I swoop behind my ear. And then I also press out the top a little bit more. So you guys, this is Queen Royalty hair. Again, all the details on this hair will be at the bottom. The website is www.queenroyaltyhair.com. There is a sale going on for buy two, get one free. That is good until Halloween. Also, we do have $150 bundle deals where you can get your bundles in this 16, 18, 20, or yeah, 16, 18, 20 for $150. So just check that out. Look at this. Giving hair, baby. Giving makeup, baby. Giving natural edges, baby. I don't really like them swoopy swoop, like all them swoops that these girls be doing. I'm not a fan of all that. I just do a little swoop in the beginning, in the top, or whatever, wherever it looks right, and then I keep it pushing. And my edges stay as natural as they can. Like this is the way I like my hair. Like clients, no. This is as nat because it looks so natural. Look at that. Look at the hair color dimension. Check out my old videos to see how I got this. I'm pretty sure I recorded dyeing this. If I didn't, I will do another video. You guys, here I am. Just showing you. This is giving me peacocky. Like, we cocky, baby. You can't tell me nothing. That scalp up there. Sing it, girl. Alright, y'all. I'll see y'all next time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. See you next time. Bye-bye.